What's up guys, Michael here, coming to you with another video. In this one I'd like to give you some tips and tricks on what to do when your AirPods or AirPods Pro are in charging. Now there could be multiple issues why this is happening, and I'd like to help identify what may be causing that. So let's get started. Now the first thing is to identify, okay, do I get any lights on the case? Okay, this is very important. So if you open the lid, do you see any lights? If you close the lid, do you see any lights? Is there anything happening when you remove your earphones or when you put them back? So that's very important, because the light kind of tells us that, oh, there is something's happening. Okay, if it's completely dead, what do we do? I would recommend that you start just trying to charge it, okay, with a normal cable that came with the device. So in that case, it may be either USB or USB-C to Lightning, or maybe USB to Lightning. Now, I would always recommend that you double check the cable. So if you have another cable, definitely try it. Usually they get damaged somewhere around here. So if you see any wires or any damage on the cable, totally inspect it. Also, there could be some rust on the lightning pins here. So I definitely recommend checking those to make sure there's no any damage. Alternatively, try to maybe find a friend or someone that would have another cable, so you can plug it in. Also, review that opening here, and just to double check, is there any damage, any dirt, something stuck in there, just to see if the problem kind of lies here. Now once that's done and you still don't see anything happening on your AirPods in terms of any lights coming up, also double check the plug. Okay, sometimes plugs could be broken. Try to plug your cable once it's identified that it definitely works, maybe with another device. Try to plug it to your PC or laptop and see if there's any difference whatsoever. Another thing to consider is wireless charging your AirPods, if it's a second gen with wireless charging, or AirPods Pro. So I have here, actually this is Android a QI compatible wireless charger. So I would definitely try to see if your AirPods will kind of budge by placing them on those. You will see that actually I can see the light coming and it is charging right now. So it would be a good indicator, if it's working for you, that maybe there's something wrong with the connector up here. So if that's not charging as well, then we might have a more serious problem. I would try to connect your earphones to your phone and see how much battery is left on your earphones and on your case. If the earphones are working fine, it may be only the case that's damaged, and you may need to replace the case. Yeah, that's about it. How you can kind of identify the issue if your AirPods are in charging. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments if it helped you. I will see you in the next one. Cheers!